And what we're going to do is we're going to run from here. You're going to run, and if you notice on your shape, if you feel mine, you feel there, through there, you go, oh, that's pretty constant from here to here. Oh, and then it drops off into the hole. Fair enough. You feel that. Now turn it around and feel yours. What do you feel?
Well,
a bump on the end.
Yes, that's what I said.
A lump on the end.
A lump on the end.
Yeah, you weren't dropping enough. You were holding the panel up too much, which is forcing this point up, and it's making all these stoppies in here. Pretty good, progressive. So now what we're going to try and do is we're going to try and run all the way through, and you're going to find there's an undulation. This thing's going to bobby. So what we're going to do...
I can feel that here earlier.
Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to run into this up to about here, and you're going to run backwards and forwards as a test panel, and then we're going to go through the whole thing.
Ready?
Yeah. Ready when you are. You're just running through, and you're going to fill that hole in the middle now, and then reshape the front part. So you're just rolling in, dropping the panel down. You're not dropping the panel down enough your end. There you go. Roll with the panel, dropping it down. There we go. Dropping the panel down. Not too much. Not too much. We're not forcing it, but we are allowing it to do what it wants to do to a point. But we're controlling the panel, not the panel controlling us. And we're keeping our blows overlapped and not getting any stops or starts in there. There we go, let's have a little look and see where we're at.
Still got a little one right there. Yeah.
Got a little bit of a stoppy start, and we won't be able to get rid of that completely, not at this stage because they're in there. But what we're looking at is more of a blend line. Now I'm noticing that you dropped, I'm feeling the shape. Oh yeah, you've still got a little bit of the power bulge there, but it's dropping in and it's more constant. And now you're seeing, just to see that, there's a couple of little dark, deep ones that you've got, little stop starts.
Yes.
That's what we're not trying to, that's what we're, yes.
Trying to eliminate.
Eliminate.